Discover the new Unity, a reliable, multi-layered solution for seamless onboard IT operations. Designed for the yachting industry, Unity integrates all your digital needs into one seamless system, such as connectivity, onboard network solutions, cloud and IT, IoT applications, and cybersecurity. With an intuitive interface, you can manage multiple services with a single glass pane. Its modular approach makes Unity the ideal platform to meet the evolving demands of maritime operations. With a powerful user management portal, you can define data consumption and network access policies in a few clicks. You can manage features such as bonding to boost your connectivity with stable links and customizable options. With SD-WAN, you can easily control where your traffic goes for optimal performance. Cybersecurity is woven into every layer, protecting against threats and safeguarding data integrity on your vessel. Unity is more than a device on board. It's your gateway to an entire cloud and terrestrial infrastructure, making sure seamless connectivity, cybersecurity, and flawless onboard networking drive the ultimate digital experience for guests and crew alike. Unity, the core of your vessel's digital transformation.